Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active Pro, and today I will show you how we can manage app permissions. So at the first we have to hit the settings icon, next we have to move to the apps. It will be appears right here. Right now we have to move for the right upper corner on these three dots and then move to the permission manager. So right now we can pick the permission that we want to adjust. So for example, I'm going to grant permission to location for a few apps that we have on the phone, on the tablet. As you can see, we get three options: allow all the time, only when we are using, and other are denied, right? So if you want to grant permission to the location for YouTube, you have to tap on it, then choose this option. When you go back, you can do this for other app also. And that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.